Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss about typing skill. So first of all, mastering the art of typing skill, unleashing the power of typing skill. In the world driving by digital communication, typing skill has become an indisciplinable asset. From the rapid exchange of information to creating enhanced content to ability, the type of efficiency can significantly impact your personal and professional life. In this article, we will discuss into the world of typing skill and explore how they can enhance for sales. What are typing skills essential? Why are typing skills are essential? This question is why are typing skills are essential? The digital age has unheard a new era. Communication has a board of our primary tool. Here we are joining the typing skill is vital increase productively. Essential typing skills can significantly boost your productivity. Whether we are working on a report, sending emails, even code, the faster you can typing, you most just like you can. You can accomplish it in less time. This is the money, but trying faster, you can save both. Number second is enhanced communication. Effective communication is our integrative word. Enhanced communication and effective communication is a key of introduction word. Typing quickly allows you to engage a real charts response to message permanently the part of dynamic conversation. This is the especially important the age of social media and instant messaging. Career advancement in the professional realm, typing skills are highly sought after proficiency in typing skills. One of doors a wide range of job opportunities, especially in administrative role, content creations, and data entry. Employer value individual who can swiftly and accurately type. Number four is stress reductions. Typically, without hand for keys, a keyboard can alternatively the stress of functionality associated with the slow typing. Fast accurate typing can make computer a seamless extension of your thoughts. How to improve your typing skill? Now that we understand the significance of typing skill, I will explore some practical steps to enhance your typing skill. Touch typing skill, typing gap, keyboard shortcuts. Touch typing skills. Practice. Touch practice without having a look at keyboard, the master skill. Practice regularly using online touch typing program and exercise. You will gradually become more familiar with the keyboard layout, which you can increase and speed. Next is typing game. Engage a typing game that make learning fun. These games enhancing your typing speed and accuracy in the entertainment way. Examples of Tire Racer and Nitro Type. Number third is keyboard shortcut. Learn their utilize shortcut and common functions in software applications can operation system. This is not only safe but also showcase can opportunities colleagues and employers. Typing speed test. Regulatory typing speed test to gauge the progress. There will be online platforms you can free typing test. Aim of word per minute. Score constantly. Last is transactionally of typing mastery. In a world dominated by digital instructions, mastering typing skill is significant advantages. Whether you are purchasing a career is speaking before efficiency is due. Daily task improving your typing ability is worth investment due to time and offer. With the practice and decision, you can unlock the potential and the valuable skills to proposal yourself a greater height is digital landscape. So guys, if you have any question, please ask me on my comment box. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. Meet you in the next video. Please take care and Allah Hafiz.